Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate language learning with Rosetta Stone step by step clearly. To automate language learning with Rosetta Stone, start by visiting the Rosetta Stone website. Create an account if you don't have one. Choose the language you want to learn. Select your learning plan based on your goals and budget. Once you've chosen, download the Rosetta Stone app on your device. Log into your account on the app. Familiarize yourself with the interface to navigate through lessons smoothly. Set a daily learning schedule that fits your routine. Utilize the reminder feature to stay consistent with your practice. Explore the language learning path tailored to your chosen language. Engage with the interactive lessons focusing on vocabulary and pronunciation. Incorporate voice recognition to practice speaking and improve your accent. Utilize the sound feature for immersive listening exercises. Take advantage of the practice modes like reading and writing. Set goals within the app to track your progress over time. Use the live tutor feature for real-time conversation practice. Connect with other learners through the community forums for additional support. Review previous lessons regularly to reinforce your knowledge. Experiment with the phrasebook for quick reference to common phrases. Utilize supplemental resources such as podcasts and videos available on the app. Stay adaptable and adjust your learning preferences as needed to enhance your experience. Monitor your progress in the review tracker to stay motivated. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your language learning journey with Rosetta Stone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.